things to pay attention to. And I know that you know, as a seasoned podcaster, anybody who's just starting out to somebody who's, you know, already been doing this for a long time, artwork specs, and I'm talking the specifics of the way that you create the artwork itself, is possibly the number one issue for your RSS feed to have problems in most podcast directories. So whenever you speak to your podcast host, let's say your show is not updating in insert, you know, Apple Podcast or Spotify or Google Podcast or anything like that, if there's something a little wonky with your feed, generally speaking, and almost 99% of the time, it has to do with one of these specs being a little bit off. And I know it seems really like, what are you talking about? But in absolute honesty, this is the biggest thing. And even if you come back to the support teams and you go, but I've been doing this for 3 years and there's never been a problem and I haven't changed my artwork. Well, you kind of got away with it. It's sort of like, yeah, I was going to say it's sort of like when you try to get away with like some kind of horrible crime. But no, it's not like that. It's like, it's just you made a little mistake and you kind of got away with it because I didn't know.